If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, you may have a common belief that the slow season or the shoulder season isn't profitable and can't help you reach your goals. And I'm going to share with you that's not true. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technicians Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales, sales beliefs, making sales in the off season or the shoulder season, and a fantastic day to talk about you. I'm coming live from Sacramento. I've got 5 solid reasons why the shoulder season or the off season is actually one of the best times to sell and make some magic happen where the rest of your competition just has a belief that you can't. So first, I want to start with what the trend line typically looks like. Okay, I'm going to give you Sacramento's information for heating and air. You're going to modify, and then I'm going to get to the 5 reasons why you can beat your competition. Okay, so January is typically pretty solid until the end of the month, unless it's been super cold. If it's a traditional year, by February 14th, which is Valentine's Day, it starts tanking. March is usually an off month. April starts to climb around tax day. People start making purchases. May, June, July, somewhere in Sacramento around July 20th, it typically starts going downhill, okay? Could be a little bit later in the year, just giving you average numbers. August, September, October are what would be considered dead months. So on this map, I have about 1.5, 2 months here, and I've got about 2 or 3 months here. So let's just say, let's make it really easy. There's 5 months out of the year that your competition's like, yeah, well, I don't really have to do anything, right? We make most of our money 7 months out of the year. So for 5 of them, I'm just going to take some time off. And I'm going to challenge you. What if that's not true? So here's the 5 reasons why this isn't true. 1, you have time. You have time to give your presentation. You have time to have conversations. You have time to be relaxed. You have time to use whatever playbook that you're using, okay? Whatever that is. 2, the fear of the homeowner has been reduced. In the busy season, the homeowner may be scared, worried, have some fear that you're going to try to take advantage of them because they have to get a system, or they need to get a system in their mind. Okay. It's like they're freaking out. They're like, you're going to price gouge me. It's the busiest time of the year. Okay. Number 3, buyer psychology. In their mind, it's not busy. In their mind, it's time for specials and offers, but they got to be the right specials and offers for you. And we'll get into that. So number 4 is the offers and the recipe for the offers for the conversations that you're going to have. Like, where you have these matter. Where you put these into the conversation, where you put them into your technician timeline really makes a difference. And I see a lot of technicians, a lot of salespeople lead off with, we've got a lot of great specials and offers, which signals to the homeowner, you're just here to sell me something, right? So there's timing for this. And then number 5, which works to everybody's advantage, is most people are lazy. There's a quote from Kobe Bryant, who was an arch nemesis of mine because I was a huge Kings fan. And then I found out what kind of work ethic the dude had, then became a huge fan of Kobe Bryant. And, he had the Mamba mentality. And this is what I would consider the HVAC business Mamba mentality is, like, when everybody's sleeping, you're busy, right? Let your competition believe. Let your competition believe that this, and these 3 areas right here are the best places for them. Because they're going to go hunting, they're going to go fishing, they're going to go on vacation, they're going to go hang out with their kids. But these are all cool things, and there's a time and place for all of them. But they're sleeping. And you could come in and you could take their lunch money. If you're using a process, if you have a strategy, if you have concepts. And these are all things that I teach. These are all things that are part of my process. It comes down for a business. If it's a business side, it's marketing, it's sales training, it's coaching in the office, it's running numbers, it's keeping consistency. If you're a technician, if you're a salesperson, it comes down to how you structure what you're going to do during the day and what decisions that you're going to make, right? So in your mind, if you're like, everybody else is sleeping, and you get, like, as I'm filming this video right now, it's the end of August 2026, okay? Just for point of reference for this video. Right now is the greatest opportunity for you as a technician, as a salesperson, if this is where you're at, because everybody else is I'm on the sidelines, I'm out of town, summer's over, right? And so they turn off for like 60 to 90 days. And then they turn it back on when they're like, okay, well, now I've got goals to reach. I'm going to share with you a saying that I learned from Roland Frazier. What would need to be true, right? What would need to be true for that to not work for you? Well, I just outlined everything that you get to work to your advantage. You've got extra time. You reduce the fear of the homeowner. You got the buyer psychology that they're going to get a special or they're going to get a deal, and that you're going to, number 4, you're going to have offers and recipes ready for them to have something happen. And your competition's freaking lazy. I promise you. I've been inside of enough offices. I've done enough consulting in my life in different industries, products, and services that when most people get to like here, which is whatever level watermark is in their mind, they just float and they don't really push past what's going on. So if you really want to achieve success in the trades, then I'm going to share with you something. Every month is an important month. January is an important month because it's busy. February is an important month because it's half busy. Now, in your mind, you got to flip the way that you're thinking and go, March is an important month because everybody's sleeping. My competition's sleeping. So if you're a tech, if you're a salesperson, like that means that you can go for referrals, you can call old leads, you can go knock doors, you could do a pop-up, you could ask for referrals from people who've done business with you, you can go back and visit. Heaven forbid you go back and visit the people you sold something to. I can't tell you, I will share this with you. It is not a secret. I have nearly 1,300 YouTube videos as of today. I have always said, when you go back after you make a sell, you reduce complaints and you increase the ability for you to get referrals. Okay. And so what you're going to find is at the end of the day, when it comes down to it, your time shifts. Like you run different playbooks throughout the year. You have a busy playbook and a slow playbook, a busy playbook, slow playbook. And everybody else is just sitting on their hands. You can smoke the competition. They can not understand what you're up to. You're just outworking them. They have one playbook. Hopefully it's busy. What happens if the weather doesn't show up? Right? So almost every company I've ever worked for had a saying, we are a marketing company first and an HVAC company second. And so they kept feeding the marketing machine. And the small companies that I went and worked at, that I tried to work for, they didn't have this belief. They weren't constantly marketing. And so their business line would look like this. So their salespeople's income would look like this. You don't have to live like that. You absolutely don't. Right? You have some decisions to make. If you want some private coaching or private training from me and you're willing to invest, I don't do the free conversation. I've got 1,300 YouTube videos you can watch for free. You can text me 808-364-9906. We will talk about what the packages look like to work with me. 808-364-9906. You could text me. If you're a business owner and you're like, hey, Scott, I want some help with this, there is an investment for me to come work with your team. Right? It's to be expected. And you can call me or text me 808-364-9906. If I'm in with a client, I don't answer my phone, but we can help solve this. My team can help you solve this. I've got a lot of the structure already built out that would just drop right in place for you. It just depends upon the way that your company is ran. So I can't make any guarantees. So I say a lot of the structure instead of all of the structure, right? Got to be careful because like it's a declaratory statement, and there's the Federal Trade Commission or the Federal Communication Commission that likes to come after people. So can't make any promises. I learned this from Jay Abraham. There's no promises in life. There's no promises in business. We can have that conversation. But if this is the playbook that you've been running historically, then there's a better way. There's a better way. We got this. You got one of three things to do from here. Just one of three. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.